Let's now set up the local environment to write the function app code. For that, the very first thing you need is Visual Studio Code. To do that, just search on Google, download Visual Studio Code. On this very first link, you can open this and click on Windows or any other machine that you're using like Linux or Mac. I'm using Windows, so I've already downloaded and set this up. It's a simple installation. Once it is there, you can open that and click on File and open any folder. I have already created this function app learning, which we have selected. I've selected this folder and it is empty right now. The next thing on Visual Studio Code that you need to do is go to this extensions button, search for functions. Rather, I would type Azure Functions. You need to click this and click on install. Since it's already installed on my machine, so it is giving me an option to uninstall that. Once Azure Functions is set up, you will see a Azure icon here on the left. Click on that. The very first time, this will not be connected to your Azure account and you will get a sign in button. What I'm going to do is I'm going to press Ctrl, Shift and P. This will open a prompt for me, and from here I'm going to click Azure Sign Out. So this has signed out my account. Let's click on Ctrl, Shift P again and click on Azure Account Login. It has opened a new window for me. Let's click on the account. Now my account has been signed in. Let's go back to Visual Studio Code and it will list down all the subscriptions or the resources that you have on Azure. To create a function project, it is giving you an option below. Let's click on that. I'm going to select the folder Function App Learning. The language will be Python. Interpreter, let's skip that. I'm clicking Skip Virtual Environment. These are the multiple triggers which you need to select when creating a Azure function inside a function app. As of now, I'm skipping this, but we will create these type of triggers later when we are going to write the code. So it is done. It has initialized a Python project for us in the VS Code in the respective folder that we selected. So earlier it was empty, but now it has a lot of files which we can see on the screen. So our environment is ready. In the next video, we are going to write our first function app code.